Miracle on Ice. The United States Olympic hockey team made history in 1980 when they took home the gold medal. For over 20 years, the Russian team had dominated the sport of hockey. Their team was made up of very experienced players who had competed in multiple championship and Olympic games. The team was favored to win the gold at the games in Lake Placid, New York in 1980. In contrast, the 1980 United States hockey team was made up of college players who were amateurs. Most of the players had very little professional experience. Only one player on their team, Buzz Schneider, had ever competed in an Olympic game. With their limited experience, the team shocked the world when they won 5 games against other countries that were favored to win. They entered the medal round and their first competitor was Russia. The Russian hockey team took an early lead. At the end of the second period, the Russian team was winning 3-2. During the last period of the game, the United States team scored another 2 points. When the buzzer sounded at the end of the game, the United States team had beat the best team in the world. They went on to defeat Finland and take home the gold medal. Was it a miracle that allowed the inexperienced United States hockey team to win on the ice that day? Short answer. Number 1. What is the main idea? Number 2. How was the United States hockey team different than the Russian hockey team in 1980? True, false. Number 3. None of the players on the United States hockey team had ever been to the Olympics. True or false? Number 4. The U.S. team beat Russia 4-3. True or false? Number 5. The 1980 Olympics were in Russia. True or false?